Well, hi, here's another quick tech tip for you for EdTech. This is a little bit more for less beginners and slightly more moderates, but it's really effective and the pupils, if they engage with this, really enjoy it. It's called Flipgrid.com. Flipgrid.com. What this is a program, or should I say a web interface, that's very secure, so pupils get an access code for it where they have to sign in, usually with their school username and password, which keeps it nice and secure, and they record short videos of themselves talking about a topic. Now, as usual with the ones I offer, this is free, and I'm going to demonstrate this, or at least show you it a little bit very quickly. So what you do is you go to flipgrid.com. You do have to register as a teacher, so I'm just going to log in because I've already gone through that process. And then you create a new group. So I'm going to create a group. I'm going to call this Flip1, and you can see there's a little join code. I'm going to ignore that for the time being, and what I'm going to do is I now need to make sure that this is nice and secure. So I'm going to go to student email. So when pupils log in, which they do need to do for this one, they don't need to create an account, but they do need to put their email address in. So I'm going to put my email address in there. So anyone from my school's email account is going to be able to access this. So I click create group, and there I've now created a group. Now I don't actually want to share that group. I can do, but what that will do is that will share any topics that I want to set up. Now if I just want to set a specific topic up for a group, I'm going to add a topic here, and I'm going to call this topic evil and suffering. What do you know about evil and suffering? And then I don't need to set any, I can set a moderation up if I want to, but this is the really good part of this, is that I can preset it to be however long I want. So I can have a maximum of 15 seconds or 1 minute or whatever. So I'm going to set this as 1 minute and then click create topic, and there I've got my Flipgrid code. So I simply copy that, and then I can email that to pupils or put that in the chat bar of Teams, and they can then get on and record a quick question or an answer to that topic, which then will appear under the responses tab. Now each of them can see each other's responses, but as I say, they need to log in with their school username and password, their school username should I say, and use that code in order to successfully access this, so they can only see each other's in the classes. Let me show you a little bit what that looks like. If I click record response, okay, you can see there what that might look like. I've got something over my camera lens, but what I've also got is I've got some really good effects, so I can add frames to it if I wanted to. So again, the pupils really quite enjoy just messing around with it. There's a whiteboard option as well, so I can make the whole thing whiteboard if I didn't want to be on it, or I could do half and half, and then I can type some information on it. I've got emojis and filters and all those sort of things that the pupils really enjoy doing. So that's flipgrid.com. It is as simple as that. Flipgrid.com, give it a go.